Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis starting on the 2 weeks chart here. For the all-time history for the gold we have an ABC zigzag towards the upside finishing wave 1 potential for a leading diagonal or a wave A. Currently, of course, with the leading diagonal you're looking for 1, 2 and then potentially 3, 4 and a 5 later on to come still next. Or, of course, your wave 4 can be finished already here, very shallow wave 4 and finishing a wave 5 and looking again for 3 corrective waves after it, of course, for a wave 2. Since this is a leading diagonal, you have to expect, of course, a wave 1 here potentially, possible, of course, and of course a wave 2 after it that it might follow for 3 corrective waves. Now, if this wave 3 is extended, because actually those are the perfect fib level for wave 3 taken from the wave 1 based on the wave 2, it gives us, of course, that your wave 3 here is accomplished as, of course, impulse, correction, and impulse, and potentially 4 waves. Again, of course, we're gonna watch the fib levels taken from it. So if we have the fib levels for a wave 4, let's say that we have topped here, the wave 4 perfect targets would be the following between, of course, the perfect fib levels for a wave 4, 0.38 and 0.5. Now, of course, the 0.23 can be targets as well. So we're gonna keep as well potentially 1,750 can be a target. Very shallow wave 4 again, and then moving for higher again for a wave 5. Very potential as well. Now, if we are in a wave A here with the blue count, in the blue count, you are looking here at 3 waves toward the upside. A, B, and your wave C has to be an impulse. Meaning you finish the first impulse as a wave 1, you're looking at a wave 2, this is your wave 3, and you're looking for a wave 4, 5 to finish a wave C in there. Meaning the wave 4 in this case scenario, it can be, of course, very shallow, and potentially, of course, we have to test it before here. For a wave 4 in this case scenario, we're gonna see a wave 4 in an impulse, the 0.23 and 0.38. Yeah, those are the most common targets. So we have several blue box potentially. As you can see now, I'm looking for a retracement anyway for the gold. I know the gold has reached the 3,000, very nice, and expected as well as per the last analysis, but I believe that we are very, very close for the top. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. However, this is your wave 4 if it is taken from, actually yes, taken from your wave 1 to the wave 2 based on it. You might reach 2,415, 2,050, yeah. And in this case, of course, you might see a retracement for this wave 4 in 3 waves, and then wave 5, then wave C finished. Of course, after this case scenario again, 3 waves retracement are required, of course, and then continuation towards the upside to see what's going to happen, of course, later. So basically, this is what we are looking for. Now, I'm going to add those inside the all-time history. Let's move a little bit inside to see this wave, if it is done as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. As you can see, impulse. On the 4 days chart, we can see, of course, we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. We are expecting, of course, a wave 4 to be reached in the blue box as expected. Now, if we have our counting here and we dive a little bit deeper inside it, so we can see that this wave toward the upside might be, of course, the following 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is a very long wave 5, extended wave 5. And we can see, of course, the wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well. Your wave 4 is, let me check here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, it can be, but the wave 2 is very, very deep here. And the wave 3, 4, and a 5, yeah. So wave 3 is still longer than wave 1. But the problem with it is that, okay, this is what it is, the scenario. Can be 1, 2 as A, B, and a C, right? So your wave 1 is here because I cannot invalidate, it is invalidated if not. Yeah, so, but anyways, this scenario is already done. as a wave 3, 4, and a 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Very nice. And then we have, of course, a finished wave 3. Currently, we are inside this wave 5. This wave 5 has to be, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very clear price action. Let's move even inside this wave here to see what's going on. So inside it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 still need one more leg toward the upside, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So still need, of course, one more move for higher. Yeah. But before, we need, of course, to move a little bit lower still to finish this final wave 5. And with it, it's gonna finish a lot, yeah, inside this blue box here, as you can see. And potentially, yeah, we might see, of course, this scenario finishing soon. Let's move even much more micro in the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the wave 3, and currently, yes, we're looking for a wave 4, meaning this wave 4 here. Oh, we have double 1, and we have double 4 even. We might reach, of course, this blue box next, of course, for 3011, 2900. Yeah, and then still having, of course, a double 4-5, because I'm gonna explain. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3. Finished wave 3 here. You have a 1, 2. You will get the 4, 5 for it, meaning this is your main wave 3 after having 1, 2 here. 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so these are the scenarios that we might expect next, and I think we have already, yeah, this is already expected. Here we go. Big wave 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's true. We are looking for the main wave 4 potentially. Here we go. Yeah, okay, the count is perfect, but 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, I believe wave 3 still not finished yet. Yeah, still not finished. This is what I mean with it. But we, of course, need to move down 3, 4, and a 5. Even the wave 4 can be a little bit higher. Normally, when you have double 4, yeah, the second 4 might come back to the same area. Yeah, always. Not always, but most of the case scenarios, it might be something like this. Now we're looking for the perfect target inside this blue box, which is, of course, in confluence as well with the bigger scenarios here that we have. And, of course, these scenarios are for the wave 5 in a bigger view. So I'm going to go back in the bigger view to show you what do I mean. So, yeah, this scenario, this wave 5 is taken from the wave 1 here. And so based on this wave 1, you would like to have almost the same price and yeah, here we go. Same price length and time almost for wave 1. And basically this is it. So the box is in confluence, of course, with this target. We're gonna see, of course, we have the blue box here now in confluence. So definitely 3,100 might be a target for the gold, and I believe, of course, we might set back a little bit because we're gonna finish the main wave 5, right? And in this case scenario, in a bigger overview here, let's go back to see the results in an overview what it might be. Once we finish this, we are looking therefore for this target potentially to be tested as a wave 4 for a wave C here, yeah, for a wave C, meaning 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. If not, if we see, of course, much more retracement, therefore in a bigger view as well, you might be looking here at a finished wave 3 in leading diagonal. In leading diagonal, in leading diagonal, you might have a deeper wave 4. Meaning lower than those fibs. We might, of course, move even lower. It might be between those fibs here, the perfect fib level, for a leading diagonal, which it might be, of course, in this case scenario, 1,200 and the $900. That will be very deep, actually. Now, of course, the 0.23 is also can be a fib, 1,700. But we're gonna do this step by step, guys. Step by step. Meaning we have to break first those fibs, the micro fibs, right here, for a wave 4 in the orange. If we do see, of course, continuation toward the upside, therefore we have to move with a wave C here, and of course re-estimation in the top again. That was it for the gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.